I spent 8 years in the sales portion of Cintas, and then in 2008 there was a downturn in the economy, and myself and my current business partner John Duffy both saw the writing on the wall. We were highly paid corporate managers, and so we decided to take out on our own. We did an extensive search of possible businesses that we could invest in, and after about a year we settled on Citywide. It met some really non-negotiable factors as I was doing the business search. First of all, I wanted a business that had a proactive sales approach. We didn't want to be sitting in a brick and mortar building waiting on a customer to come see us. We wanted to go out and find that customer. Two, we like the reoccurring revenue model. We'd like to go out, sign a contract for some agreed services, and then as long as we do a good job, really keep you forever paying that amount on a monthly basis. And I think third was I wanted a huge top line in whatever business I went in. I didn't want to go into a business where, I could only make a 6-figure income. I wanted a 7-figure potential, and Citywide was one of the very few franchises out there that I could utterly do that. I've spent a lot more time with my family than I did in my previous occupations. When we first went into business, obviously, it's hard work because you're wearing several hats. You're responsible for really the entire business, the entire enterprise. But with the support from a good franchisor like Citywide and a great market that we purchased in the Tampa area, we quickly grew it large enough that we could start putting some talented people in the business, and it just took off from there. Citywide stresses, hey, let's do it the right way and keep customers forever. Let's have a win for the customer, let's have a win for the independent contractor who's doing the work, and let's make $1 or $2. And that's been a great and successful and peace of mind type of approach.